The Clarke Contractor CON1500WC 1500 watt 125mm wall chaser is a crucial tool for any plumber or electrician. It enables the cutting of accurate and precise grooves that can be used for creating channels to sink pipes or electrical wiring into a wall. The powerful 1500 watt 230 volt motor and 2 diamond cutting discs ensure easy work is made of cutting a channel in tough concrete, masonry, brick or cinder block. The adjustable depth gauges allow for full control over the cutting process, producing a channel ranging from 8 to 29mm deep and 8 to 30mm wide. A 57mm dust extraction port is provided, which will help to keep dust and debris to a minimum for a cleaner and safer working environment, resulting in less time cleaning up after the job is done. The CON1500WC is also supplied with a chisel to help remove any remaining material. Benefiting from an ergonomic design with soft start to provide the operator with comfort during use, the Clarke Contractor CON1500WC 1500 watt 125mm wall chaser also features overload protection, ensuring the highest levels of safety during prolonged cutting. It is supplied with 2 diamond cutting discs and a chisel.